Hey, I'm Jules. I work at AWS Restorations. I had just left our office. I'm on my way to go meet Spencer. He's one of our siding and roofing specialists. I have a few questions to ask him about siding inspections and what to expect, stuff of that nature. And hopefully you can learn some things that you didn't already know about siding installations and inspections and walk away from this video with a gain. Hey Spencer, what are you installing here?
We're installing some brand new vinyl siding.
How much time will it take to install this vinyl siding?
So this is a single family home, 2 stories, about 5 bedrooms. Will take about 4 to 5 days to install this.
And what is the color being installed, and what are the names of other colors as options provided by this manufacturer?
This homeowner opted to match the previous color of siding, so we are going back with your basic white. You've got lighter colored almond, cameo, which is a little yellow, on up to darker browns and grays like desert sand, sierra, which is a gray, or granite.
And what's the name of the manufacturer? What style of siding is this?
So Bligem is the vinyl manufacturer. Mastic is the particular brand. And this style of siding is their Ovation in a double 4.5-inch Dutch lap.
Awesome. So tell me about the quality of this material, along with any ratings this material has.
So as a mastic product, this product qualifies for the VIP limited lifetime warranty through mastic. So you're looking at this product lasting at least 20, closer to 30, or even 40 years, weather permitting, of course. The siding itself is rated with a 1A fire rating and can withstand winds up to 195 miles per hour.
So after getting an estimate for siding repair or replacement, what was the next step you took with our customer?
So I was working with this homeowner who was approved for a small repair with their insurance company. I came out and determined that we need to actually rewrap the entire house, and they wound up approving that estimate.
So do you have any other installations coming up?
As a matter of fact, I'll be working with their next door neighbor due to a similar windstorm tearing off a bunch of their shingles. All right, Jules. Well, thank you for meeting me out here at the installation. I hope I was able to answer your questions. I look forward to working with you, and I'll see you on the next one.